Kaibigan, ang bilis na ng mundo ngayon. Isang post, isang comment, isang reaction. And in seconds, may opinion na agad ang lahat. Pero may isang bagay tayong madalas malimutan. May tao sa likod ng bawat profile. In the username, in the display profile or display picture, in the content, tao. Social media was created to connect us. Pero minsan, ito rin ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit mas lalo tayong nagkakalayo. Because behind every post, may kwento na hindi natin nakikita. May pinagdadaanan na hindi nila sinasabi. May laban na tahimik nilang hinaharap. And yet, isang comment lang, kaya nating makasakit. Ang arte mo, papansin ka lang. Ang drama mo naman. For you, maybe it's nothing. Pero para sa kanila, that might be the last push when they're already barely holding on. Ito ang mahirap tanggapin, kaibigan. Minsan, hindi natin sinasadyang makasakit, pero hindi ibig sabihin, hindi na masakit. We have normalized sarcasm, harsh opinions, public shaming. Parang okay lang. Parang part na lang ng internet. But let me ask you this. Since when did hurting people become entertainment? May mga tao na tahimik lang, hindi nagre-react, hindi sumasagot, hindi dahil okay sila, kundi dahil pagod na sila. Let's be honest, hindi lahat ng malakas online, malakas din sa totoong buhay. Hindi lahat ng nakangiti sa post, masaya sa loob. And not everyone who stays quiet is okay. Some people are overwhelmed, anxious, hurting, exhausted. And when negativity piles up, it doesn't just stay online. Dinadala nila yun sa gabi, sa isip, sa puso. So what do we do? Simple but not easy. Before you comment, pause. Before you judge, pause. Before you react, ask yourself, makakatulong ba ito o makakasakit? Because kindness online is not weakness. It's awareness, it's maturity, it's humanity. And if you're the one hurting right now, kaibigan, listen carefully. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Your pain is real. But it's not the end of your story. You don't have to fight everything alone. Talk to someone. Reach out. Let someone in. We don't know what people are carrying. So let's not add weight to someone already struggling to breathe. Words matter, even online, especially online. So today, kaibigan, be careful with your words. Be mindful with your comments. Be human even behind the screen. Because one small act of kindness might save someone you didn't even know was breaking. And one careless word might hurt more than you ever intended. Hindi mo alam kung sino nasasaktan sa kabila ng screen.